West Karbi Anglong alongle Block 1 pen Block 2 Meghalaya State along Parlo Ponte Poma. Article 244 Iprabjin pen Pachun Serak Nangji Pura ASDC KSA KNCA Lapen ASDC Yutron Atum Kachesong. MS Jaipong Cooperative Lem Salong Kilik Kepadopon. Grab the biggest opportunity. The Golden Wings presents second Karbi Anglong Fashion Week 2022. Both for male, female, Mrs. Teen and kids. Promoting our local behavior and tourism. Required height, male 5.5 and female 5.3 professional. Dress code for preliminary auditions. Denim blue jeans and white t-shirt. Pencil heels compulsory for female preliminary audition scope. Dipu, Denarong, Wolongkomaji, Japrajan, Hanjang Langso, Hamren, Donka, Kaziranga, Umrangso, Haflong, Chokihola and Hawarkehat. For further details, please contact 60032 93958. Kardom Penny Prime Time along Penny Lisami, Nirinan Sepi, Penny Bertang Ton Penche Hanam Senan. Kedamtang There Nipai Inkore Sirkepani, Union Home Minister Amit Shah Thingo, Assam Pen Meghalaya Long Le Ahoya Long Lamki Kedo, Long Krehinia Long, Monsama Lamdon, Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma Lapen Meghalaya Chief Minister, Konrad K. Sangmahin Pen, Monsama Lamdon Mate MOU Chetok Ponlo. Lason Thotsi Kedamtang Pai Pai Nipai Inkore Isiani, Guwahati Rong Sopialong, Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma Lapen, Meghalaya Chief Minister Konrad K. Sangma Atum Chetongsi. Meghalaya pen Assam ahoy mati interstate ahoy along alamki ke do puthak kithir thip amon sam ke padoji aphan puthot kachingwai padopon. Birta ke pachini pona tengke lamki ke do long krehiniang bong pen long trok adim along abangki ke chengsi apurun ahut patang pontang long. Seta ke do lang long trok ahawar long aputhak abangki puthot purun hini akachingwai ahut si chingwai pontupo. Bangso Kachingwai Ji Aphan State Hinia Long Cabinet Minister Dopo. Lapenan Parta Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Langtang Alukido An Along Abangki Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Hin Pensatami Regional Committee Along Nang Dodun Po. Bangso Porun Hini Ahoya Puta Kachingwai Long Jesimet Long Troka Hawar Lake Khanduli Mati Pisnier Block 1 Lapen Block 2 Borduar Langpi Nongwa, Mautamur Mate, Des du Maria, Lalong Trok Aputak, Chingwai Pon Poposi, Meghalaya CM, Sangmapen, Ningje Pon.
And with that in mind, we have decided that the second phase of discussion on the 6 areas of differences which are left, namely Pisyar, Khanduli, Block 1, Block 2, Borduar, Motowar, and Langpi area. These 6 areas of differences will be taken up in the second phase. We have decided today in this meeting that within the next 15 days, these 2 state governments will form regional committees for the 3 areas, which is 3 districts. And in this, the respective cabinet ministers from the respective states will be the chairpersons of these committees. We also decided that since the Karbi Anglong District Council is there in Block 1 and Block 2 and Khanduli and Pisyar, that members from the District Council of the Karbi Anglong will also be part of these committees. Once the committees are formed, then accordingly site visits, public consultations, consultation with stakeholders will start, and we hope that the process will move forward, and in a reasonable time we should be able to complete the process for the next 6 locations also. We have also decided that as a goodwill gesture and a public confidence building measure, the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself will be making visit to certain important locations like Block 1 and Block 2 in order to give the confidence to the people that both the state governments are committed and are serious to find a permanent solution to this very, very long pending issue of border dispute between the two states.
Halapu Assam Chief Minister Sarma Kaningje Ponatenke Meghalaya Regional Committee of Harmana Banki Meghalaya Hin Pensi Inut Cabinet Minister Lapen Alam ki kedo district ke thomalong ke thekkere atum chitodonpo lage Meghalaya Hin pena phanlo lapen Assam Regional Committee ta padoponpo La solong Karbianglo Autonomous Council Hin pensitami dodonpo Bangso Committee atum pensi Alam ki kedo ahawar adat atum pen chinki je thana sai dengponpo.
So, we are committed to resolve the border dispute. So, from today we have started the process of resolving the remaining 6 disputed sites. In regard to these 6 disputed sites, 3 falls within the jurisdiction of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council from Assam side. So we have decided that in this regional committee, particularly the regional committee who will decide who will visit the disputed sites falls within the area of Karbi Anglong, will also include representative from Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, because in that area it will be basically for the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to help state government in resolving the dispute. So from Assam side we will include their representative also in the committee, which will be headed by a cabinet minister from Assam for the Assam Regional Committee, and from Meghalaya 1 cabinet minister against 1 district or 1 regional committee, and that committee will be notified by the government of Meghalaya. Within 15 days, government of Assam will notify our 3 regional committee, and of course government of Meghalaya will also notify the regional committees of their side within next 15 days. Once the committees are notified, the chairman of both the committees will meet, they will visit, they will talk to the people, they will try to resolve the dispute according to the spirit or according to the broader parameter which we have laid down in the at the time of deciding the dispute of the first phase.
Bangso sai kewangji nikre phong bongsi sai dengponpo. Bangso kelangchari damji apora huda bangki regional committee chairman mate hin a chief minister atum setami adimaklong along an humri donsi rada phan aninge pathe pensi chingki je than pensi bangso hoye puthak abangki pachun ponpo puta Assam chief minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma pen ningje pon. News report Karbi Anglong live. Karbi Anglong arat akar inai hemprekang thimate Indian Constitution aron along kedo Article 244A ke pachun cherek aputhak pini diphu rongso piangbong Ru Samson Singh Ingti Chikimo Amir Birialong Autonomous State Demand Committee Karbi Students Association Karbi Nimso Chingthorasong Autonomous State Demand Committee Youth Front Atum Kachesonga Mide Kangthur Kedamtang ningkan plikep sosea prangpen Karbi Anglong aradakar I ahem prekang thimate Article 244A aparman ASDC KSA KNCA lapen ASDC Youth Front atum aningkan wang Plut play pinten kachesong ponason thak si pini pai ni phai inkora hiniani diphu rong sopialong kedo Ru Samson Singh Ingti Chikimo Amir Birialong uthot kachesong asai deng ponlo Bangso kachesong along Article 244A ke pachun pon vek nangji aphan pura Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi Home Minister aphan panong si pinpura lo sitami pajir ponlo Nonapor Karbi Anglong arat ameke prang nangji aporlo atheke damtang pinnangan aningkan pensitami Bharat Sarkar ke charipon atum apong ili Karbi akhai aphat nangchong thuilo kedamtang apor Home Minister Amit Shah ben chenglok Prime Minister Narendra Modi sitami Karbi Anglong วางโลบอนตาอิลีอาการอีแฮมเพรกอาลามาบังเกทั้งตะนิงเจกังเกปุซีกะเจซ่องอาหุดนิงเจปอน
purun pai purun tunang kia labang so autonomous state aputha nilitum bini anda nitum chisong bom lang itum nikan thong kebra drop nitum paplut le pin pen nilitum achikluyon wang anikan wang dala song sinitum kai kita hemprek aparman kai kita nitum ESCC KSA KNC nitum kachisong archap plu lasi nilitum bini tame nilitum India Prime Minister lapan ke Home Minister Narendra Modi lapan ke Amit Shah lapan itu bini memorandum tan itu samiji lasin ini tu bahan lapan so India Constitution lang na itu pidak Article 244A lapan yang dapat cuma pipa perabdang ji lasin India Sarkar ini tu man jasmit pet naga cong thui abatai apong so ini tu teglong lo ilitum lasi ilitum ta non bangke karbia khai mate karbia rata ilitum imek prang nan bu bangsi jasmen pet nili kachuniri kantu ilitum 2019 ani kal tame elket banis tame ilitum best karbing long da wang lo kiruni long alang lis tame hemprek na bu ko me kasi ilitum rapet kan lora pan alang pangrum lo
lasi karbiang long arat atto kan no ke do tum an sitami hemprek aparman kache song ponalong nang chetodun pen ili akar I hemprek kang tim ke palong ji aphan che song pon nang kusi bang so ka che song pon along ning je pon
long difu jasmet pet la peke dongka beskar bilong ke pamat ke laki gumal lo pante turam rohang kali jasmet pet laki 1985 Laso pena prang ESCC KSA KNC 1986 menang cisong lo ayat lo mau cetok lo lasi pini arni di food town ke klar ko tuliram rohang amithang jungjung pele kupini sonbak tak karbing long phan alang li funding ke wan son ke ilitum teglong le lasi 30 department ESCC KSA apung ki wan si pini arni di food town ke klar ko thoing long karbi dak ilitum 1986 ane kanang sun proof si ilitum hime jangre karbi tum si pini arni di food town ke pamat pusi jasmet pet ke ilitum matha nai chi nai lain lo ahok pe dalam ka thek pilam ki la choda kalilan amithang mata chininggi lo kidam tang anita ESCC zone hemprek hang chot bo 1987 ka chong ke ESCC chot bangkalang lita ningji lo tuliram no hangta sidame rada tum dam matha nang po lasi ratum dam matha nang po tuliram rong hang le di town ke pamat kali Aban ke nili Islam ninge pun kantung abang ke nili panggui sunang naglo sami Islam nili kali pun kantung bang hello kidam tang dilhi kasko matum kaprek kasong chau atung dilhi hemprek hangdam lo supenang le rok abang ke hemprek ke hangdam pen rada pan lam klar ka cipinang puke kasko matum derlang kusini lihin pen damji
News report long soda inti karbing long lai
Come one, come all. 4th Autumn Women and Men's Football Running Tournament come awareness on addiction and human trafficking at Atpo Taro Playground, Dongmukak on 5th September to 8th October 2022. Organized by Community Health Development Program, Baptist Christian Hospital, Tejpur, a Unite of Emmanuel Hospital Association, New Delhi. NGO partner UNICEF. For more details, contact Sharon Sarmin Hanse, Project Officer, CHDP, and call 8638398440.
Kedam tang pai ni phai inquiry siar ni ke wangji ningkan pho jai pong lem salong ke langchari ponji aphan pura bang phukang wai mate kilik padopon lo Aningkan wanga son thak si pining le thot setami jai pong lem salong ke wangji ningkan pho ke langchari ponji aphan pura kilik padopon kilik ke padopon pe aprang ada por phai kep malom pen ningkan esek amai pi padopon bangso ningkan esek amai pi along surihni ra inquiry si pen inquiry hini abaha long kopi koson si ke claim pon boma la pen tangka setami koson pen si kepadam pon boma bangso puthak chingi je than pon Bangso phi ke wangji surihini ra inquiry hini la pen inquiry ke thom abaha budho phangcho pen longsing hanse aphansi internal auditor apu pek ponthulo Bangso phi ke wangji ningkan pho abaha aphan bangphu bangphi kangwaya sai deng ponlo bang sohut unreserved category along pen bang thongke raisi women category along bang trok anparta S3 lapen SC category along pen bang hini atum chepate dunlo bang so kilika hu jaipong lems cooperative society along bang pharoke thomra thomke raisi a shareholders atum pensi ingwai ponpo kangwai pona hot women category pen Romila rong hangpi pen Clarina rong hangpi atum aphan ingwai pon pen anparta ST/SC category along pen Rupok Konwar unreserved category along bang thongke rai siang bong pen Rajaniti Hemari Teron Bidya Singh Teron Rajesh Tokbi Diori Rongphar Kangbura Terang Hemai Tokbi Men Singh Teron Ron Singh Teron Men Singh Timung Mon Singh Timung lapen Joy Singh beatuma phansi ingwai ponlo langhin pen sarpang ring ti kathar karbing long life Manja police station ke parlo dilai pen manja adak atowar pialong dilai pen kewang bom AS 15T8 660 alto ketenagari chepharle phit bonta agari along kache thabdut abang kopai ke me par piga jok ahiring tangrak pen areng hu ke sotum abilang pinianero por phai hinia por malom dilai pen manja anathu ke wang bom ihum alto keten chepharle phit birta ke long pona tengke dilai police station hin pen manja an ke pali damji aphan ke wang bom hut men aprang anat adang apam kavidet amat ke pasang ji pura break ke khang amasi chepharle phitlo kache pharle phit alto keten a number lake AS 15T 8660 pusi pangthek pon kache pharle a hir kang tang raga jok towar pipen dongalong an klodam choklo bonda towar long bike ke beka tumpen danglok te bok terai arada tumpen chirap chito dunsi alto keten agari aphan nangrung rin pensi towar pialong an one por iderlo bangso phi manja police station along an birta palisi adim along an police atum palidamsi ki claim nangjia saido an claim ponlo bangso gari kache pharle pahut car arlo ke do inur bang phwa bang asapso arialong areng ke sodak ajo sekelangji aphan sekelang hemalong an palidamsi sekelang asai deng ponlo
वो थाना में गया तो थाना से हम मंजा जा रहा था
अच्छा
उस टाइम हो गया था अचानक आगे का टायर ब्रास्ट होके
अच्छा
थोड़ा ब्रेक मार दिया तो 4 पलटी हो गया
तो आप लोग का अभी कैसा है मतलब कोई इंजरी विंजरी आप लोग का
इंजरी थोड़ा सा लगा है
अच्छा तो आप लोग कैसे जाएगा अभी
लगा है
देखना पड़ेगा कैसे जा सकता है
अभी
अच्छा
पुलिस से थोड़ा मदद लेगा
News report Bikram Teron, Karbing Long Lai. Pini prime time abirta ke lapansi kangton iklo.
Audio Jungle.